Today, I wanted to find out how many possible things you can write or draw on a blank piece of paper. I used, for my calculations, a standard piece of printing paper, 11 inches by 8.5 inches. Since I wanted to do my final calculations in millimeters, the paper is now 279.4 millimeters by 215.9 millimeters. Then, I tried to put on the piece of paper the smallest possible dot of pencil lead that I could. I did, but it was so small that the camera couldn't even see it. Using its height that I measured, and assuming it was a box, which it probably wasn't, but I found its area to be 0.25 millimeters squared. The paper's area is 60,322.46 millimeters squared. By simply subtracting the area of the square to the area of the paper, we get 60,322.21 millimeters squared. That leaves us with the fraction 60,322.21 over 60,322.46. The area of the tiny square turned out to be 0.000414% of the paper. That's pretty small. Now that we have our figures, we can determine that we can fit 241,290 of these tiny squares into a blank sheet of printing paper. Using the permutations formula, assuming I used it correctly, we get a total number of possible iterations of a blank piece of paper. The total number of pieces of paper, including completely blank, completely full, and everything in between, is 58,220,622,810. So whenever you feel like you don't know what to do with a blank piece of paper, and you have a pencil in your hand, remember that whatever you put on there will be unique, and you have 58,220,622,810 possibilities to mess with. Thanks for watching.